Welcome to the channel, everybody. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. In today's video, we're going to be looking at what I believe is the cheapest and best camera bag that you can buy. Let's run the intro. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you what I believe to be the best, cheapest camera bag you can buy. It's the one I use all the time, and I'm going to show you it right now. Okay, and this is the camera bag itself. Now I know what you're thinking. It looks exactly like a rucksack. There's no branding on it or anything like that. And you will be correct. This is just a rucksack. Let me show you inside. So here it is. Here's the bag itself. Now I bought this used off eBay. Well, it was new but without tags for £5, and it is just a standard rucksack, like a military style one. And inside, I bought this bag separately, which cost me £10. And this is a padded camera bag insert. Let me just open you up this and show you what's in here. And there we go. So this whole setup cost me £15. What I'm going to do, I'll link a couple of these inserts down below, and there's various sizes on the market. Choose the best one that fits in your bag, but that's the gist of it. But let me go into more detail about why I use this setup. So why do I think this is the best cheap camera bag that you can buy? Well, for starters, it cost me £15 and it holds all my equipment. You can strap a tripod on the outside. But the most important thing for me was I didn't want it looking like a camera bag. You see, where I live, I have to walk through some unsavoury parts of town. And if you're carrying a camera bag that's branded with some of these camera companies' names, you will be targeted for that. So it's important for me that I bought a rucksack that was unbranded. The other thing about it is, should you not wish to carry all your camera equipment in it, you could just remove the insert. You've got yourself a standard bag then, which you can carry whatever. And the good thing about that is the camera insert, say, for example, you're around a friend's house and you want to swap rucksacks, you can take out the insert, pull it in a different rucksack, and away you go. What I normally do when I get home after I've been filming is take the insert out, put my camera equipment away, and then just use the rucksack throughout the week as a standard rucksack. So what I do at weekends is just grab my insert. Everything's already inside, throw it in the bag, and away I go. Simple as that. So there you have it, the world's best, cheapest camera bag in my opinion. The bag cost me £5, £10 for the insert, and it's never let me down. I've been using this method now for 2-3 years, and I would never ever buy an expensive camera bag, especially when you're walking through some unsavoury parts of town. These thieves are looking out for these branded bags, and trust me, you might as well have a billboard on your back saying expensive camera equipment inside. So that's the main reason I've done it this way. Well, that's going to bring this episode to an end. I hope you thoroughly enjoyed it. If you have, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see further content from myself, hit that subscribe button. But for now, that's it. We'll catch up in the next video.